Nice.
Went right through it.
Nice.
All right, 2 is fine, and then I'll pass it on, or am I doing the whole magazine?
These arrows are getting a little fucked up.
Nice. Woo.
There are sticky targets in the house.
Oh, Sam.
No animals were harmed.
Little fucker.
And then it's straight across.
Yeah, just straight back until it clicks. There you go. Nice.
Alright.
I think so. Counting to 5 is hard. I've learned that since I've started playing with this thing. Sweet.
Clover and clover and everything sticking up here.
Oh, that's the best
Fuck,
one.
That's badass. That's so good.
Yeah.
Oh, not far enough.
There you go.
Oh.
Nice. I think that was that 5?
No, I think you have one more.
Should have one more. I think that was 4.
I'll be able to tell by the
Oh, it
sound.
wouldn't cock by.
No, it'll still click.
What?
It should still get some clicking sound.
Oh, I thought you still had one more.
Okay, hold on. Let me look. See if it's got a round in it. Oh yeah, you've got a round.
I thought so. Okay.
Okay, my bad.
All right, make it count.
Nice. Little high. Little high.
There it is.
Shut up, dog.
That's better. What? You know, it's funny. It feels like it's gonna make it easier by pulling it up high, but it actually doesn't, and it's worse for the thing, right? It's just
Yeah.
like feels like. Oh my god!
Harder, harder, harder. Yeah.
Get to the fucking gym, bitch!
You're making it look easy before.
I know, right? What the fuck?
If I could get this stupid fire up to temperature. Then...
Please don't. that's as far as I'm. Goddamn it.
There we go.
Oh, there you go.
It's fine going. Yeah, it's on.
That boy.
It only took 3 mega doses of gasoline.
Ah, all the minor doses.
But it's what it is.
There we go.
Oh, I don't want to be sitting there.
Well, you're you're in the shot in the middle of it.
No, I do not consent.
Well, that's too late, motherfucker.
No bueno, no bueno.
Hey!
This is so extreme. Maybe I should stop hitting my top.
I'm about to light my doobie. Nice.
That was not as clean as I would have liked.
To be fair, though, it looks really cool.
It freaking exploded. It sprayed gas everywhere.
One time my friend tried to do the same thing, and he put like gas in this little plastic container, and the fire traveled up to the container and like set the container on fire. So he drops the container, and then his lawn's on fire. And he's like, oh fuck. And it's right next to this jerry can that he was just using, which is full of gas. So he's like, oh crap, that's full of gas. So he kicks the jerry can. And then that just like sends his whole lawn ablaze.
Athletics. Like extermination.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, nice. That was a good one.
I think that was 5, yeah.
I think that was 5, yeah.
Woo!
I need to work on a fucking threat.
Right.
Yeah. I just hear guys sneezing.
The guy. Was that 3?
I think so. You would need more targets. Just shoot the planters, I guess.
Not the big black one. I want to use that for something.